For generations, the ultra-luxury sedan segment has been defined by a very rigid, traditional rulebook. You either sat in the back being quietly chauffeured, or you compromised on pure luxury to get a proper driver's car. But Bentley has just shattered that compromise entirely. This is the global debut of the all-new Bentley Flying Spur. This isn't just a minor design evolution or a simple cosmetic update. It is a massive, highly aggressive philosophical shift. Welcome to Vision Effect TV. I'm Ava, your analytical guide into the next generation of high-end automotive technology. Bentley's entire engineering team had one clear, defiant objective with this machine: to pull corporate executives out of the rear passenger sanctuary and slide them straight into the driver's seat. They have taken their historic, pinnacle four-door nameplate and injected it with raw, track-bred energy. By pairing unmatched, hand-stitched British luxury with a level of mechanical passion that targets a much younger, driver-focused generation, the traditional executive limo is officially dead. This is a pure driver's masterpiece. When you look at the exterior, you realize this silhouette completely redefines modern executive presence, blending a muscular stance with a clean design. Stretching over 5 meters, it deletes bright chrome in favor of a menacing, dark-tinted speed matrix grille and smoked oval headlamps. This aggressive look isn't just skin-deep, it's a reflection of the mechanical beast underneath. New side sills visually pull the car closer to the asphalt, creating a lower, far more intimidating sports-inspired profile. Riding on massive, exclusive 22-inch speed wheels, it looks less like a traditional lounge and more like a high-performance grand tourer engineered to conquer mountain apexes. Now, let's step inside the cabin sanctuary, where Bentley has executed a brilliant technological masterclass. While the interior wraps you in rich, tailored leathers and exquisite three-dimensional diamond quilting, the true genius sits right at your fingertips. The dashboard features the legendary rolling infotainment display, allowing you to seamlessly swap between a 12.3-inch touchscreen, classic analog gauges, and a clean wood veneer panel when you want to block out digital noise. No more sensory overload, this is digital zen on demand. But the real magic happens within the tactical driving matrix. Bentley has integrated an advanced, smart air conditioning ecosystem that utilizes GPS tracking. When the car detects you are approaching a tunnel, it automatically switches to air recirculation mode before you even enter, completely filtering out harmful microparticles. And for the passengers? The cabin features the newly introduced wellness seating specification. This includes intelligent postural adjust and seat auto climate tech that automatically shifts muscle pressure points and surface temperature. It ensures you never feel stiff or fatigued after a high-speed sprint, making the cockpit less of a car and more of a highly responsive sanctuary. Beneath that sculpted hood lies Bentley's brand-new ultra-performance hybrid powertrain. Ditching old combustion boundaries, this system pairs a ferocious 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with an advanced electric motor to unleash a mind-boggling 771 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. That makes this the most powerful sedan in Bentley's entire history. To handle that devastating power, it rides on the cutting-edge Bentley Performance Active chassis, utilizing a 48-volt dynamic anti-roll system and active all-wheel steering. When you enter a tight corner, the chassis actively counteracts lateral forces, keeping this heavy-duty luxury weapon perfectly flat, agile, and relentlessly pinned to your racing line. So, let's look at the raw strategic reality. By combining a hyper-aggressive 771 horsepower hybrid layout with a chassis that actively craves tight corners, Bentley has successfully rewritten their entire philosophy. This isn't just an elite luxury cruiser anymore. It is a highly emotional, ultra-potent driver's car built to conquer the open tarmac. The message to luxury buyers is clear: stop paying someone else to have all the fun. The Flying Spur proves that you can have world-class grand touring performance without sacrificing an ounce of prestige. It redefines the expectations of a younger demographic that demands raw energy alongside handcrafted luxury. Hit that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now to stay ahead of the curve. I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.